Women Senate Association kegosa nigo bono kereire umuichanobo koenekia hebikore byabere bikomendekana byogocherero kwa bana abanyaruka nabo igo kwambukirwa kwiburuire bwenyamoreo nigo bono nabanyariko bakomochie boigo amarito agenkyo hase abana bwase bono batebire nigo barachikobe komokibo koenekia Komoegerera bare Omosubati nabo igo omwana omunyaruka nigo bariko yenekia iga kero batarete county ya Bungoma.
County Commissioner wetu.
We will address all the challenges that need to be addressed using the law, where we need to amend the laws and even have the cases of children who are brought before, for cases of victims who are brought before courts, or victims, not the victims, but the criminals who are brought before courts, culpable of defilements, of rape, of gender-based violence. We are asking the judiciary also that they be tackled with great speed, just the way we tackle electoral disputes.
County government tumefanya programs ya sensitization, maana this program is under the governor's office through the special program, and we are working hand in hand with other stakeholders kuhakikisha ya kwamba tunaingia mashinani, tunafanya mambo ya mentorship na pia tuna train walimu ambao wanahusika na mambo ya guiding and counseling, because tumekundua ya kwamba kuna mashida nyingi ambayo watoto wetu wanapitia.
We are to appreciate the donation of the sanitary towels that we've given out and the underpants, the boxers that we shall bring to our boys, because we don't want also to feel neglected.
Abarokia bebirasi vya junior